Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Press File, New, and new SolidWorks documents opens as a template, and choose part, and then OK, and then system option, documents, units, let's say in inches, it's OK, and then prompt, sketch, and then let's say make a circle, and then the dimension will be 10 inches. Regenerate the model with the current value, and then press the save current value and exit the dialog box. And then press OK, and then exit the sketch. Let's go on the top plane to draw another sketch. So let's go onto a normal to our plane, and let's make a corner center rectangular from this point. And use 1.5 as the length in inches. Regenerate, and then save. And now let's put it as 0.5 in inches. Regenerate the model, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. Before that, you can see that the drawing or the sketch regenerate itself. Now go to the click the this one, so it will get out of the sketches, then picture, and then revolt. Wait, it's the wrong one. Sweep. So the profile sketch is at sketch 2, and now the path itself is this one. Now you see that there is now a solid that is went to the circle itself. Now let's save it, the drawing, so it will be exercise 160, and save. Now let's do a sketch again on that front plane. Let's say the center is right there, and then pick the center, and then up that one, another one here. Okay. Save it, then make a drawing that is or a circle like this, and put a dimension in it that is 6.5 in inches, and regenerate, and then get out of that dimension. So let's put another line here, close. Okay, and then trim the edges, this one, and then now I want to make like a ball on that half of the circle. Then so let's do the picture and then revolve. Yes, selected contours is this one, and the revolve is this one. So you can see that it was revolving at the line here on the axis line. So okay, now it's a little bit in a circle, in a spear. I made a spear out of it, and then let's add that one. So we have to flex this one first in order to make it the right way. So this one is flexed and twisting. So 360 or less than that. At 200. $300. One nicer is 100. Maybe 150. Let's do it as 360. Okay. Now it's been twisted. Then go on the rebel. Now it's all connected now in one whole piece of SolidWorks. Okay, let's do something that I wanted to project some those a center straight slot into here. Maybe at inch, 1 inch of this dip of the slot. So let's make a plane. So about on the front plane. So let's do a 640 or 6. Okay. And then okay, and then sketch on that plane and to the front normal to our drawing, and then center point straight for slot. Okay, from here to here. 1 inch, then regenerate and click OK or save, and then 0.5 is good, and also here let's make sure this one is 2.5 in inch, regenerate and good. Okay. Then this drawing, the slot, I need to put it or attach it on the spear. So let's get out of the sketches. So insert, picture, and then wrap. So automatically in the wrap parameters, the source of the sketch is sketch 7 is this one. It's automatically read on the plane 2, and now I want the paste to be wrapped on this not on the circle but on the spear. So automatically it will wrap on on the spear with 1 inch. If I want it 10, it will wrap also up to here, but I want it only about 1 inch as wrapping it. And now, okay, now you see that it wraps on the spears at 1 inch. Let's close or hide this one. And now I wanted to, this wrap, I wanted to put it on the other side so both of them have a wrap. So let's go to the mirror, then use the mirror paste or plane to be the front plane, and in order to the pictures to be mirror is this wrap 2. So automatically you can see also that the wrap is been done on the other side to mirror it or copy it. Now both of them have those wrap. Okay. Now let's put a color on all the drawings. Then this one will be this one. So remove this one, the exercise, or remove the whole thing first. The revolt will be colored at the color of, or maybe that is red, and the wrap will be different color. The wrap will be yellow. Let's see, and also the other one that is the mirror. Oops. Wow. The mirror will be yellow also. And now the plex itself, the plex and the sweep will be colored of blue. Let's say, yeah, it's blue, it's more better.